was nasty, like a full jump. Wait, don't understeer. This could be the only badge that gives it away, aside from this guy as well, who is used to lots of horsepower and lots of things. Welcome back to Vulcan Alpha here at the Nürburgring. We are doing laps, actually. MSB's car is the very first car that I'm driving, which is not my own. So it's like sort of subscriber, follower, friend car, and that's like you have the premiere. Yeah, we had a couple of cars over the recent years. Yes. One of the very first laps or collabs we've done together is one of the most successful videos, I think.
Yeah,
it's like yeah. So here we are today, another G platform, M2 G87, and aside from a Sahara ascent.
Yeah, she's filthy.
Yeah. Funny enough, speaking of Sahara, in Dubai it is illegal to have a dirty car. So
I didn't know that either.
Yeah, learn.
Come down to Vulcan, you learn things.
Yeah. All right. Anyway, back to the car.
Yes.
As we saw the intro, we have a nice badge of Tom Wrigley Performance. So this usually means lots of power.
So yes, she's a G87 M2. It's currently stage 3 running hybrid turbos. 800-ish horsepower on high boost, but the icing on the cake for this car is xDrive conversion and carbon ceramics.
Wow. So, yeah, because traditionally the G87 is just rear-wheel drive.
Yes, exactly. So this is switchable xDrive, rear-wheel drive, xDrive, and like I said, carbon ceramics and big power. Nice.
Can we look under the bonnet if there's anything?
There's not much to look at in all honesty.
It's a proper sleeper.
She's very OEM.
Yeah, you have already like magnetic pedal shifts.
Yes.
Yeah, nice. So that was a nice touch. And then what do I have here?
Like I said, there's not much to really look at. She looks very, very OEM.
What kind of a YouTuber are you? Not even the Venturi intake?
It's a little bit different. You know what I mean? I like the sleeper look. You know what I mean? So yeah, she's still a work in progress, but at the moment she's very, very OEM looking, apart from a bit of carbon and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, that's about it really.
Yeah, it's nice. So it was cool because I was followed by Jackie Ding in the Track Speeds G87 fully stock car, 450 horsepower, Vulcan Alpha Aero though. So we could see the difference on the straight. This was just like gone.
Okay.
I think I measured 260 kph GPS speed because I was running draggy in it on the first acceleration, because on the second fastest piece at in Schwedenkreuz we had a bit of traffic, so I couldn't like really pull it through there.
So
but
260 is that quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the at the bridge, yeah. It was definitely fast. So this was actually quite good. Oh, I see something that is not stopped. Finally, it's a little secret here. No, it's great. I mean, missing a bit of what suspension you're running?
She's just gone lowering springs.
That's it.
Yeah. You gotta remember, I daily this.
Yes.
And I don't want it to be too much.
Exactly.
So it's a bit of a difficult, especially in the UK of our roads, they're terrible.
Yeah, I get it. And I mean, and this is also what I said, of course you can put suspension, you could put aero on, but I assumed that this was your daily.
Yes.
And power is great, manageable, and yeah, I like. The most important thing is that it didn't go in a limp mode. Yeah. It didn't die because it was too hot.
Well, that's testament, I guess, to Tom Wrigley.
Yes.
The builder, the main guy, Tom Wrigley, and Mike Ball, the tuner. So yeah, they get their flowers, I guess. Well done.
Very good. Well, all right, I think we've been talking for quite some time, so I guess enjoy the lap. By the way, if you're still watching, the 765 LT and also Jackie was driving the M2. Friends of mine, we agreed on having like a nice, cool lap together, so I was not blocking them. They deliberately were staying behind, so that's all there is to it. And if you want to see Jackie's video, check out this channel. And maybe in a bit I'll go out with MSB himself, so we can have some fun, so you can check that out. All right, enjoy content. You know what I just realized? This is the first not my own car. Subscriber car, follower car, Michael Shoeblacker's car in the new season, 2026. So, 800 horsepower, should be enough. Behind us is also Jackie Ding in the track speed. Let's put this in here. Let's remember how I do content. Put the lap ticket in here. We have cameras on. We have everything switched off. We put our gloves on for better grip and not to ruin MSB's steering wheel with my calloused hands with all the gym work. yeah, then we kind of proceed, I guess, and then I need to talk about what I feel about the car. Should we do first gear pull? Not bad. Woohoo! All right. Whoa, floaty, 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 floaty. We need some. Suspension is a bit soft. We're also on PS4Ss, so once they warm up, we would need a bit of more. At least we have ceramic brakes, and we have all-wheel drive, so that's good. Come on, chop, chop, chop. There's a 765 LT of a friend of mine catching up nicely, which is also to be expected. I wonder how long it's going to take Jackie with just 450 horsepower to catch up with much more aero and all the important supportive mods. Whew. Come on, come on, come on. Now we have it straight. Off we go again. Lifting tray here a bit because the car gets very light. Whew. Well, I'm happy there is traffic that I need to slow down because, you know, it would be really irresponsible to go flat through there. It's one of those cars, and especially since it's like car number 4 that I'm driving after a winter stop, that I need to remember how the track goes, how the car goes, what I need to do, what should I not do, because it's TF and I spent lots of winter driving just like normal tracks and track days all over the world where you can overtake left and right and do more. Car is flying through traffic and everything. I don't know if he has seen me because of the sun maybe blinding him in the rearview mirror. Always take that into account. Cup twos, some aero. At least the brakes are good. The stock brakes on the G series is already fantastic. This one has ceramic, so it's even better. But, Jackie now passed the 765 LT behind us. You could probably see on his video how effortless it is for him to keep up. And then when we hit the straight, like this one, I need to slow down for here because it's so fast, but it's just not planted because it needs aero. The funny thing is, now that I've been like in aero business for 2-3 years, you realize that aero is not only important for high-speed stuff, but also just like for braking performance, because it plants the car down and gives you much better braking. 7th gear through here because I'm just pussying around and lifting and braking. Wow. was nasty, like a full jump. Turn, wait. Don't understeer. Too early on the gas. The good thing about this car is that so far I don't feel any power drop. Then again, we're early in the year. It's not like it's 30 degrees, so it's not too bad. This looks a bit wet still because of the shade. Okay, we're already on almost 3 bars, so PS4S's, they really stopped working properly. 75 degrees. Also on the hot side. Not horrible, but yeah, very, very hot. So we are far out of the optimal grip window. 2.8 even on the back right. Yeah. Needs cut dues for all this power and stiffer suspension and more aero. Because power is good, the delivery is also quite nice. It's just missing the grip aspect. And again, if you're just tuning in for the first time, right now, 2 friends behind me are my friends, and therefore we deliberately said we do not, yeah, they're just gonna follow. Alright! Oh, that's a nice spec of a GT3 RS. So, what can I say? I already said everything in the yellow zone. Actually, typical MSB car. Lots and lots and lots of power. I think they had fun. I'm going back. Surprisingly, nobody stopped us to tell us that the car is banned for the day for being too loud. Maybe they expected the car to come off in the main car park, but who knows, maybe it's actually good. Yeah, just my expectation was it would be too loud, but nobody stopped us. Yeah, lots and lots of power. Is it sad that it's not fully track optimized, that we do not have better suspension and aero? Yeah, but should we blame him? Is he often on the track? Don't think so. Like, more often than he was a few years ago, for sure. So what can I say? Yeah, it's in terms of power, again, it's usable. The map is good, so I guess it's been quite alright. So overall, quite happy. So yeah, that's it. I think it wasn't too bad. I enjoyed it. What we're putting it back in drive, so let it be drive. Yeah, I think all is good. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Check out PhD Racing, who are our US distributor of Vulcan Alpha products. You can see his perspective for sure from the video from the car. And yeah, that's all there is to it. See you tomorrow, where we'll drive something else. Bye-bye. A while later, Jackie's back.
Hey, I'm back.
With the M2. This is, by the way, was the follow car with Vulcan Alpha kit, big wing, big front splitter, and very fast driver.
No.
Yes.
That's my third lap at the ring, man, you know?
So it makes it even more capable and faster. Anyway.
Exactly. It's all the car. It's all the car. I'm being carried.
Yeah, so what'd you think of it? I mean, like, you were following the car from behind.
Oh, like, I was screaming in the car at how capable this thing is. I love how it drives.
Yeah.
The balance is so good. I can maneuver it however I want. There are occasions where, you know, without you in my passenger seat, I f up a little bit because I brake too late or carry a little bit too much brake. And I feel like, oh no, I messed up. And then the car just like, yep, no worries, I got you. So much capability.
Yeah.
So safe.
Yeah. Well, I was getting at, you were following this in this. This was, of course, like so much more capable with all the air and suspension work. I think I heard shooting flames.
Yes, it did. It popped flames.
Yeah.
Like every acceleration zone, you pull like 5, 10, 15 car length. But every time we get to a braking zone, mid-corner, you know, PS4s and everything, we just catch up with the aero and tire grip. It was such a cool battle.
It was super cool. It was super cool. Right on. I mean, that's all there is to it. Now, really, guys, enjoy the lap. And also go check out PhD Racing channel because you will see POV footage there and PhD footage there and all of the other footages there.
Cool.
Great story.